Hello dear viewers, in this video I'll show if your PLC time is not synchronized or is not updated time and date, how you can apply the current date and current time properly into that PLC. So for that we'll have to go to the tools, then transfer. From here if you go down you will see the set clock option. So here click the set clock button, then it will bring a window where you can see where you can set the current date and time. So before that you will have to check if the PLC is connected to your system or not. Put the proper IP addresses, connect the test. Well, it's connected, and press OK. Then after some time it will bring a pop-up mode that says the device is in run mode, you need to stop it, yes. Then it will bring a window which says online setting of set clock. Okay, so here you can manually input the enter the date, month, year, or you can directly read from your PC time if it is updated. So when I press read from PC, it gives me the current date, month, days and hours and minutes. So if it seems okay, then you can apply to logo or apply to all logo. So I have connected one PLC logo with my system, so I will press here apply to logo. It will say update my PLC time and dates after this. Then press OK. Now I will show you in the hardware that our time has been updated. Thank you.